In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to go ahead and factory reset your iPhone. You can literally do this on any iPhone, regardless of what version of iOS you're on. So what we're going to firstly do is go over to your settings application. From here, all you got to do is go ahead and scroll down and then go over to General, which is right under VPN. Once you're in General, scroll down again, and you're going to see two options. You're going to see transfer or reset iPhone and shut down. So go to transfer or reset iPhone, and then right at the bottom, you're going to see erase all content and settings, which is basically factory reset. It's going to show everything that is going to be erased, and then all you got to do is press continue, and then yeah, everything is just going to, go through and everything. And then whenever you restart your phone and go on your phone again, it's going to be on like let's say you just first got your iPhone, it's going to have that opening setup page, and that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe,